Hi. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my live trading today. DGIF. Okay, and a few hours later, we were about to the special news of this month. Yeah, non-farm employment change. So let's warm up today's live trading session. We will start with a buy scalping signal right now. Okay, so let me type. Yeah, this is the current buy scalping signal that I've posted on your chart. And yeah, the lucky gift for anyone joining my stream early today. Hi, Asakun. I'm fine, thank you. How about you? Yeah, I hope that we all have a good trading result for this week. Okay, so price is heading down and it will far away. It is far away from our entry zone, around 10 pips. Yeah, if you're afraid to miss the current signal as last time, you can control your trading platform. Yeah, do it on your purpose. Okay, so it's near to our entry zone. You can consider to buy now. Yeah, buy now. Small lot. Yeah, buy now with small lot first to get a good position, to get in this trade. So this is a gift for everyone joining my stream today, so early today. Okay, so did you in for the current scalping signal yet? We have the entry zone around 50.3. Okay, today I will calculate based on the price on TradingView. And for your trading platform, it depends to your broker that the spread will be a bit different from the current price on the chart. Okay, active for the signals. Anyone in? Let me know if you're already in by comment yes. If yes, let me know your entry zone as well. Yeah, it's active already. As I just mentioned, that you can do it by yourself at around 50.3. Yeah, 50.3 is my price of my trading entry today. Oh, 51. 51. Okay, so we can consider it as the position. If the price lower to a better entry zone, yeah, you can do it. And whenever we enter any trade with the entry zone early a bit, yeah, it's not a good position, so we need to lower our trading volume. Okay, you lower your trading volume and you will have more chance to enter another entry zone. If the price heading down to, yeah, we have more chance to access to another entry zone. Oh, more Mojo, long time no see you. Now I see you again on my stream. So where have you been? I didn't see you interact with me much on my stream every time. Okay, so it's currently in 15-minute time frame. It's just still struggling. Yeah, at the level 51. Below here we have 2 EMA crossover. Yeah, and this is the breakout area of previous bullish candle as well. And currently in the big time frame, we can see that gold is still under a lot of supported by the buyers. Yeah, by a lot of buyers at the moment, because on the candlestick is lying above on 3 EMA ribbon. Okay, So I guess that this is still under a lot of supported by the buyer at the moment. And according to France time, 2:30 p.m. Non-farm employment change. And because we have three different news that public at the same time, so if those news conflict together, so we need to wait around 10 to 15 minutes to wait for the market more stable, okay, to set up any entry zone. And so am I will wait as well, because that whenever we have the many news public at the same time, public the result at the same time, it's better for us to wait for the market fluctuations, reaction. This is the trend line I draw in a 4-hour time frame. This the smaller one is from 30-minute time frame. You can see that the previous candle closed above the trend line, but after that the market is pulled up again. So this is the false breakdown. This is the false breakdown. And if anyone follow the sell signal at this entry zone 35.44, we should close because beyond our stop loss level. This is the trap the market set a few hours ago, a few minutes ago. False breakdown. Oh, you stop trading. So now you come back. So now you keep calmer and try to come back. Okay, so you can lower. You can trade with the micro lot. To ease your mind and practice again. Practice your emotion in trading again. No volume here. Please turn on your mobile phone. Turn on the volume on your mobile phone, on your device. Anyone cannot hear me now? Anyone? Or only you? Okay, volume of chart. You know that one word have many different meanings. So sometimes we misunderstand each other. Because this time is about lunchtime in France, and I guess that's the reason why the markets need to resting a bit before heading to a pressure New York session. And today we have 3 red news at the same time. So remember this time, okay, and check with your bright zone. Alright, to avoid any loss may happen. Okay, so now it's heading down to another lower entry zone. Okay, so we have 49. So that is the reason why I advise you to lower your trading volume when we enter the early entry zone. If the price pull back, we still have more chance. Still have more chance to enter the better opportunity. And when price heading up, close the bad position. Okay, this simple action will very, very helpful for your trading history. Okay, so you can close any position around 50 because we had 49 already. Just avoid the pressure on your trading account and your psychology as well. Hi Bear, welcome back. Okay, Maras, you can hear me well. Yeah, that's good. Hi, Cleve. I guess that is it correct for me to call your name like this? Yeah, now I'm living with my family in France. Yeah, half Asian girl, but not Chinese. Yeah, don't misunderstand me. I'm Chinese. Okay, so did you close the entry zone around 50? Yeah. So now whenever we trade real time together, try to follow my instruction closely, okay? Because that is when I instruct you to optimize your trading time, your trading action. Okay, so it's heading back to 50. So anyone didn't close it, or you want to fight, yeah, to fight with the market, to bet with the market, to increase your chance in getting profit. For more entry zone, you can keep it. But who want to trade safely, you can close the entry zone at the bet position whenever the price heading up. Okay, so this will help you to feel more relaxed when you trade. Yeah, as I always share with you, our trading psychology is very important. As important as your money, your capital, your equity. Okay. Fight. Yeah, fight. Hi, Jason. Hi. So, are you all in this scalping signal yet? Are you in? Okay, so now you can see that the candle on the 5-minute time frame, okay, is on the EMA. It's gonna be take some time for the market struggle between the buyers and sellers at this area, okay, especially for this time is the overlaps between the New York and London and New York session. So yeah, high chance is the market will be moving sideways a bit. Yeah, because it's want to rest. The market want to rest now before it's heading to today pressure New York session with all 3 special news of the month. The next candle. Let's see, that's how is this candle form. Yeah, it's still at around our entry zone. Yeah, so no worry about if you already set your stop loss order. Okay, nearly 1 minute later that this candle will close, and now you can see that it's forming a very small tiny body. Yeah, it's nearly as the doji candle, or we usually call a shooting star, or another pin bar. We don't know, but wait. We don't know, but waiting for this candle forming after a few seconds later. Hi, hello my new friends. Thank you so much for joining in my stream today. And as you can see on the chart, currently I have the buy scalping signal at the entry zone 55.50 to 55.49. And stop loss level we set at 35.45. Yeah, because I usually use the risk reward ratio 1/1 to set the stop loss and take profits level. Most of the scalping signal that I set up is about stop loss will be 50 pips from the lowest entry zone. Okay, so the previous one is a bullish doji candle. It indicates the struggle that the market is keep on the struggling between the buyers and sellers that we need to be patient for a while. Yeah, for any trade, especially you are a beginner, you need to set the stop loss order and do not enter too much layers if you are not getting familiar with your trading platform. And it's very easy for you to set any current scalping signal, right? Any market order. Just click the buy or sell button on your screen, on your mobile screen. But the consequence will be very huge. Especially it will affect severely to your money if the market go against to your order. Yeah, so don't be like that. Don't let one small action affect to your whole account. Okay. Okay, so price is heading up. So if anyone have the entry zone 51, yeah, 51, you should close it and hold for the better position, like 49. Yeah, 49 or 50, you can keep it, but 51, you should close it. Hi, Surai. Oh, your name is kind of strange for me. So, are you new friends joining my stream? Okay, we have 52. Nearly 20 pips. Okay, because above here we have the trend line on a 30-minute time frame, so it's gonna take a bit time, yeah, for the market to break out. Email, yeah, every time I have stream on YouTube that I always receive for the current for the question relating to EMA. Okay, no problem. You click to indicators and choose the script name. Yeah, you can do a screenshot because now I need to focus back on this current signal. Okay, and then you click to the setting button and change the input value into this number 34, 89 and 200. So that is how you set this EMA on your trading view. Okay, and EMA ribbon will help you to identify the current market trend or resistance or support zone. Yeah, and confluence with other factors like resistance or support of the candlestick or trend line or breakout or breakdown point. It will help you to maximize your more confirmation for your scalping signal. Okay, let's come back to our current entry zone that we gain around, let me check, 30 pips. Congratulations everyone that joined my stream today. And you can close a part of the trade and hold the rest to the further taking profit. And if you want to make sure and trade safely, you can move the stop loss to the break even to your entry zone. Okay. And if you want to increase your winning rate, yeah, you can keep the same. Yeah, you can keep the stop loss level and wait for a higher level, and then you adjust the stop loss level later. 30 pips so far. Go. Okay, Surai, is it okay for you to understand about my explanation of EMA? Okay, I'm very happy you understand. Okay, so now still heading up, and if this candle, the body can close above the trend line, it will heading to a higher level. Yeah, the previous peak. previous of this candle, bullish candle, the shadow of this bullish candle, 53. Because we are observing the chart in a smaller time frame like 5 minutes, so you can see the candle is very wide, it's very big, but it's not a big distance between the price range, because I zoom it out. Okay, so it's have another bearish reaction after touching the current trend line. Okay, so most of the time that the markets will moving sideways, and it's rarely having sometimes it's not follow our direction 100%. Yeah, and quickly, this is most of the time happen like this is when we trade news. Okay, and after I end my stream, I will update another scalping signal in my VIP signal group. And if you want to trade news with me every time that we're facing with very important news and want to maximize your profit, you can refer my VIP signal group on Telegram. And also I have the public community on Telegram as well. You can follow me on Telegram community by copy the link and paste it to your saved message on Telegram, and then you click to it. It will direct you to my community on Telegram. No, it's not expired. You need to follow my instruction how to access to my community. Copy it and paste it to your saved message on Telegram first, and then you click to it on Telegram application. If you click directly from here, from YouTube, it will not link you to my chat group, okay, my community, my channel. Yeah, it's kind of inconvenience, but I know that is how Telegram made it to do, so we have to follow them. Oh, your side is raining bear. Okay, so if you're afraid for this scalping signal, do not get the quickly update. Yeah, you can close it and wait until for your internet getting more stable, getting okay. Yeah, because internet is very important for any scalpers. Yeah. Or you can set your take profit on your trading platform, and just let the market run. Okay, so it's heading up to a trend line again, and about 1 hour later this candle will close, but I believe that this is still getting supported by the buyers. Yeah, and this is continue to a bullish candle at the moment. Okay, so let's come back to the EMA explanation a bit. EMA will help you EMA will help you to identify the current market trend. Okay, if the candles lying above the EMA ribbon, this is when the market is in an uptrend. Okay, and when the candles is lying on EMA's ribbon here, so this is indicates for it's trading sideways. Yeah, it's moving sideways. And lastly, if the candles lying above the EMA, so this is when the market moving downtrend. Yeah, but in the short term, it also depends to your time frame you are watching, and the EMA will be different in each time frame. Okay, so you can see that in the 30-minute time frame it will be a bit different, and in 1 hour it will not the same. Yeah, if you watch the bigger time frame and then you change into the smaller time frame, there will be a big difference. Okay, for the bigger time frame, you just identify the market trend, and for the smaller time frame, you set up the entry zone for your scalping signal. All right, more than 30 pips is heading up. Yeah, just let the market run as long as you already set the stop loss level for every trade you're in. Just let you know if I'm gone. Okay, yeah, I'm sure I will do that. Every time I leave, I always say goodbye. Okay, so today everybody gets a small gift, yeah, to trade news around 1 hour later, more than 1 hour later, right? But don't waste it, don't waste the profit by using the appropriate trading volume. Okay, never dream about change your life after one trade, and do not overuse the leverage that a broker offered to you. Okay, so that is very dangerous. And now for this range, yeah, it's stuck. Yeah, it's like the candle. It's still struggling a bit with the sellers. Yeah, because many scalpers, they trade with a huge volume. They take profits from this range, like us. Yeah, so that is the reason why it's will facing a bit to the another bearish candle. We take profit, so do others. So there is no surprise, no surprising that continue to after a bullish candle is a bearish one. Nothing can go up forever, right? And the market need to pull back. Yeah. Anyway, that is too far away from our entry zone, around 20 pips. Yeah, far away from our entry zone. So that is the reason why that I advise anyone want to trade safely, you can close, you can set the break even, which means move the stop loss to your entry zone. But anyone prefer thrilling, you can keep the stop loss level as the previous. Yeah, it also depends to your trading style, how you can accept the risk when you trade. Okay, so just a few seconds later that this candle will close. Yeah, it's better for me to observe the moving candle in a small time frame, because it's not take me too much time to wait for each candle close. Yeah, so if you observe the chart in the 1 hour or 30-minute time frame, you can observe it near about the time that the candle close. And because we are scalper, observing and do analysis in a small time frame will help us maximize our profit, because some traders, yeah, some scalpers will quick in and quick out. Yeah, they do not stay too long for one scalping signal. around 20 or 30 pips, that's enough profit for them to close the trade. Yeah, and another reason is that they enter with a big volume, so that is the reason why they do not want to stay too long for one scalping signal. Okay, so now it's break out strongly. Yeah, this is a powerful bullish candle after another candle forming. Okay, everyone, we have 40 pips so far. So this is the candle that's the price pulled back. Yeah, and another candle after that is indicating for the strong determination of the big players relating to supporting for the buyers. And congratulations all of us that we choose the correct size. You enter long at 35.47. Yeah, as long as you feel that this is okay for you, and more than 1 hour later that we will have 3 special news of the month, and if you have enough confidence you can keep that entry zone, and if you want to protect your profit so far you can consider to close that trade before the news happen. Okay, because today is non-farm payrolls and sometimes right spring is more than 300 pips. Yeah, right zone is up to 300 pips, so anything can be happened, and if you want to protect your profit you can close your trade before news release. My trading volume is around one lot, based on the appropriate capital equity. Sometimes that I feel that the market is not good to trade, so that's the reason why sometimes I lower up to 0.5, 0.5, but normally for a day I usually trade with 1 lot. Last time I shared for you to see my trading volume, trading account, right? And it's not every time I do it. Yeah, I hope you understand. Okay, 40 pips so far, and now it's heading to the nearer fair value gap above here, so it's high probability that the price is keep on fill this gap and head into a higher level. Okay, so it's still heading up, and we will observe the current candle. It will close at which level. $53. This is the fair value gap that I marked for you on the chart. It's not a resistance level, so I would like to change the color to avoid the misunderstanding. Okay, I believe that it's good. It's under good conditions that we can keep this signal to a higher level. 60, 60 is waiting. Okay, Michael, thank you so much. Michelle, right? Michelle. I'm sorry because sometimes that I easily miss spelling between Michael and Michelle. Yeah, I'm sorry if I spell your name incorrectly. Hi, Sakin. Oh, today you already had the profit, right? So you can spend it to trade news with me later, okay? But don't overuse because tomorrow is weekend. Yeah, we have weekends to relax after the pressure time we trade. And I really love weekends. Yeah. I hope that you are the same. God bless you too. So this is the answer for anyone just ask for my trading volume. Yeah, this is the proof for you. Because in my VIP signal group, I usually post the entry zone that I enter and the history. Yeah, the history that I'm trade. Okay, because previously I had a private stream, yeah, with my VIP members, and this is my second session live stream today, so it's a bit tired, but yeah, tomorrow I will relax and enjoy my weekend, and I hope you the same. Okay, so let's see a bit relating to today news happened. If all of these news, yeah, this news is opposite together, we'll wait for the market sweep because it definitely have it. Sweep both sides if they are opposite together. The results, yeah, the result opposite. But all of them negative for USD. Definitely that the market will forming a very huge bullish engulfing candle. And on the other hand, if it's positive for USD, yeah, this is gonna be a powerful bearish engulfing candle. And sometimes, as I just shared with you, is that the bright zone may up to 300 pips. Because today we have a star of non-farm employment change. And yesterday, IDP non-farm employment change result was negative for USD. But we cannot refer this number to non-farm employment change today. We cannot refer because recently those news is kind of opposite together. Yeah, so we better to wait, yeah, for the result and for the market's reaction at the key level, key support or resistance zone. And if you want to increase more stability, yeah, and more opportunities, especially you trade news, welcome to join my VIP signal group. And with an affordable fee, less than $50 for each month, I believe that I will help you to increase your profit steadily. Okay, by being disciplined and enter enough VIP scalping signal. So I will do the hardest place. Yeah, the hardest part of trading is set up the scalping signal, and you just prepare your psychology, your equity, and with a good internet and mobile phone, smartphone. Okay, so that is very simple. And I also receive a lot of questions relating to copy trading. But now we better to study, to learn the lesson relating to analysis, technical analysis. And now I'm starting to prepare the private VIP live stream relating to the basic to advanced lesson. And today is just the day 1, so you can join in and listen to the lesson that I experienced, that I share in my VIP signal group only. Okay, and it will be private. Okay, so now it's heading back to 53 level again. Regarding to the specific level to trade news, I will update on my VIP signal group, and on my channel on Telegram I will update the special news relating to today news. After a very powerful bullish candle, this market speed is getting slower a bit. Okay, but now it's gradually heading to a higher level around 54 to 55 level. High heartbeat, you can exchange to percentage. $5 is 40%, right? But your trading psychology will be different, absolutely different. If you trade with a capital $20 compare with $2,000, that time your psychology will be different. And you can practice with small capital first, and then if you feel enough confident and you get used to with the market speed, market price zone speed, you can increase gradually your trading capital. Okay, just step by step. Don't be hurry and be disciplined. That is the spell. Help you to increase your winning rate in this trading journey. Hi Ellie. Once again I received your greeting and compliment. Thank you so much. Oh wow, it's heading up strongly at the level 55 and then reverse back quickly. All right. You can say that there's a limit order here, and it just match with this price zone 55 and then reverse sharply so fast that we gain 60 pips. So today New York session will be crazy. Now it's just the overlap, the times the overlap between the London and New York session, and you can see that just a steady movement of the price up to for 20 pips, extra 20 pips, and then reverse quickly. Okay, so if you are not confident enough, and if you're very new to this, to trade in the New York session, you can observe the chart or trade with a micro lot. And remember to set a stop loss order. Everything needs to handle quickly, okay, and avoid enter too much layer. Entering too much layer, and because that is very dangerous for you. Because when special news release, each broker will have slip bait. That's things we don't want. Every trader do not want slip bait, but this fault cannot fix well so far. So that is my just small advice for you to protect your capital and your trading as well. Do not enter too much layer, especially your trade news. And stop loss order will help you to avoid too many losses. If the signal go against to your analysis. Can I enter? No. Yeah, you cannot enter for this range because so far that my current signal that's gained 60 pips, and you can find an opportunity according to my gold trading plan, as you can see on the left side of the corner. Yeah, at the left side of the corner, that's in my gold trading plan. You can set the limit order, but at the end of the New York session, you should close it. Yeah, remove all the trade. Do not hold any trades until New York session, until at the end of New York session, because on Monday they always have gap, okay, and we don't know how big it is. So and we're just scalpers, quick in, quick out. Yeah, so that is the reason why I advise you not to hold any trade up to until Monday. Yeah. Oh, hi Ellie. Wow, that's an impressive number. Congratulations that you're a good follower. Yeah. I believe that you have practice with your discipline. Yeah. Congratulations anyway. Well, I'm very happy that I hear you sharing this positive result. Yeah. So emotional. And I really hope that I can hear a lot of feedback like this in the future. Yeah, because I do the meaningful thing. Yeah, I did the hardest part, the most difficult part, and help you to maximize your profit by using my scalping signal. I do analysis. Oh, so much happy right now. Okay, so meanwhile I'm talking with you, what's just going on? The market just having a very long shadow, and if anyone set the break even, yeah, the current shadow already reached your entry zone. Yeah, hit your break even already. Oh, connection lost. So did you close the trade, my dear? Yeah, just hit 55 level in a second, and now it's also hit the break even as well. Yeah, so now it's time for the sharks is hunting. Sharks are hunting at the moment, and you can see the footprint of the sharks is the very long shadow. Yeah, at the level 55 and 50. So this is also a notice level we need to pay attention to today, 55 and 50. Oh, you did just right when you told me. Okay, that's good, because there will be delay when I speak on I use OBS, and there will be delay for a few seconds to transfer to YouTube, and I hope that it's not late for you to take profit. Okay, so this is when sharks are hunting and forming liquidity. Yeah, forming liquidity, hunting with very long shadow of the candle. Yeah, with a lightning speed as well. Ooh, last month 400k. Oh my god. 400k, Ellie? Really? Wow, super impressive. Okay, so it's already hit the break even. 55, 35, 55 will be noticed level in today because it's just a second hit to this zone and then reverse quickly. No, no buy now at the moment. Yeah, we need to wait for the market more confirmation to set up another scalping signal. And if you want to receive more scalping signal, you can refer my VIP signal group. Yeah, send me a direct message on Telegram and I will instruct you how to join it very quickly. And super affordable price. Less than $50 for each month. And you will gain the profits like Ellie. And of course she have a big capital. Yeah, so she can enter with big volume. But we need to calculate based on percentage. Okay? If you're small, be patient. Don't be hurry. Quick scalp, quick in, quick out. Follow risk reward ratio 1/1. If you take profit, if your take profit is around 20 pips, your stop loss level is just 20 pips as well. So that is the only way to help you to maximize your profit and quick in, quick out for one signal. Yeah, as I just told you, many traders, many scalpers, they do not want to stay too long for one signal. And this is the psychology of the scalpers. Yeah, they don't want their money in the market for too long. Easy to understand because I've been there too. Ooh, started from $500. So that is a roof that you can achieve success if you follow my signal and your discipline. Great combo, great combination. Bravo, bravo for great combination. But yeah, if this is a very hard working as well. So don't look at the result, see the process. Okay, see the process and be disciplined. If just listen to me. You be disciplined and you will gain 80% of winning rate. Just be disciplined. Follow risk reward ratio and risk management lesson. And sometimes you will be lucky to multiple your capital in 1,000 times if you trade. If you know how to increase your trading lot appropriately. But this is only professional can do it. Really. Thank you so much, Ali. Thank you. And guys, I just have 5 minutes later to end my stream today. So any question that you want to share with me, you want to ask me, because next week we meet again. Okay, so anyway, that today we gained 60 pips profit for buy signal at the entry zone 49 to 50, and this is beyond my expectations again. And yeah, cannot express my feeling right now because one more time together, real-time trading with Golden Girl and everyone gaining profit with me. So happy. Okay, thank you, Heartbeat. Happy weekend, everyone, and we will see each other again next week. And remember, trade safely in today's New York session. Okay, good luck and see you again.